Reminder, composition is when you use one entire equation as the input to another equation. The notation can be written either way here, and this is how you do it. We're going to do a few problems for homework that don't use that notation very much except in the setup of the problem, and then they use these maps here instead. Determine the domain and range for g of f of x. So f is my input function. Let's just map out what happens here. F is the input, so we want to start with f. So 0 goes down to 9. If we plugged a 0 into f, we'd get a 9. That means that 9 would then be plugged into g and give us a 4. So 0 goes to 9, and then 9 goes to 4. Let's do the same thing. 1 goes to 3. Uh-oh, there's not a 3 here in the g function, so that means this is not part of g of f. It's not part of the composition. We'll keep going. 2 goes to 9. 9 goes to 4. 3 goes to 2. 2 goes to 4. Again, 5 goes to 8, but there's not an 8 in G, so this is not part of my domain in the composition. All right, so we went through every single number here that was in F and mapped it out to what number it goes to, and then where that picks up in G, what number it goes to. We ignored the 2 that were not in G, so those aren't part of our domain. So these are the numbers we started with in F, and these are the numbers we ended with in G. That means in the overall composition, this is my domain and this is my range. We cut out the middleman. We need to write this in set notation, so you would write your domain. You just put the curly brackets around it. And for the range, we don't have to write the 4 times, just write it once.